Hi guys, today I'm going to show you on how to change your primary email address of your Facebook account. Okay, so first you need to log into your Facebook account, and then we need to go to the settings. There you go. And then after that, from here in the contacts, under contacts, you will see this primary, and that is my primary email address. Click edit, and then okay, let's remove this one because I made the first one. So click this, add another email or mobile number, but it will change the email address. So I'm gonna key in my email address, the email address that I want to use as my primary email address in Facebook. Okay, so click add, and then email has been sent. So we need to check the email. Okay, so open your email address and then check this one, Facebook email verification. Yeah, so confirm your email address. Click confirm. Okay, so back to your Facebook. Malditang paye. Save changes. Okay. So here, you will see now there's two email address, which is the primary one and the new one that you want uh, to be your primary email address. So just pick this one and then save. Okay, so now edit again. If you want to take out this old email address, you can remove that and save changes. So that's it. That's how you change your primary email address in Facebook. Thanks for watching.